Hello friends. Today we will talk about the site audits. So whenever we get SEO projects, we start with a site audit. So today I will try to explain to you what is the process and how we optimize the website. What are the tools we use to analyze your website, etc. I have recently added one, domain.com website for training purposes only. So this site health is 80%. But the top website's score is always 92+. We crawl only 100 pages. Only 2 pages, we found healthy, and 86 pages have issues, and blocked pages are 4. These 4 pages are blocked for the robots. So robots cannot go and blow. Okay. Now, there are 3 errors on this website, 2,359 warnings, and 397 notices. So what all these means? We'll start with errors. These are the errors. You can see duplicate title tags, 1 page is slow. And that's also these 2 errors out there. Then we come to warning. So in warning, you can see 440 pages Java and CSS, 411 pages Java and CSS, 68 pages HTTPS STP an error. This is important. 10 pages do not have meta descriptions. So, if you are working on SEO, meta description, H1 H2 tags, title headings, these are very important. Then let's go to notices. These are the issues those we need to work upon. Now, if I go to warning, you will find which page it is on and how to do it. So, once you click on it, you will find all the pages. So you have everything in front of you on those pages you have to work on. So, our technical team, they start with one by one, all the pages they work on, and they optimize the entire website. Then you can see here crawl pages, how many pages we have crawled for this website. So this information is which pages have how many issues. This is also given in front of everything. So once we optimize the page, then we re-audit the URL and check that everything is done. Now we go to aesthetics. So here we can see everything about the website. Okay. Next is compare crawls, if we have done it 2-3 times, because every time we do our audit, so we can find the changes what we are doing on the website. Since we have done it only 1 time, so the comparison is not available. And then it is the progress. So every day we work on the website, because nobody can finish all the errors and everything they cannot remove in 1 day. So it is easy to make, no doubt. And whatever you have done today, you do not need to work upon the same URL the next day. So you can add your URL on which you worked. Title and what did you do? So that once you are done, you can make a note. Okay. This is our process of a website audit. Before we start SEO, it is very important to optimize the website for SEO keywords. In next video, we will discuss how we start SEO and what parameters we use, how we optimize your website, how we work on your keywords. So be in touch. Subscribe our channel, and do not forget to click on the bell button so that next time when you come back, you can watch for video. I'm sure it will be very helpful. Are you? Thank you for your time. Bye.